Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how to handle local pickups on eBay like a pro. If you want to sell locally and avoid shipping hassles, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. First, when you create your eBay listing, make sure to select No Shipping, Local Pickup Only as your shipping option. This tells buyers that they'll need to pick up the item themselves. Next, enter your general location and clearly mention pickup details in the description, like a public meeting spot or neighborhood, but never share your full address up front for safety. Once your item sells, coordinate directly with the buyer to set an exact pickup time and location. Communication is key here to make the process smooth and hassle-free. To protect yourself against item not received claims, eBay has a couple of options. You can ask the buyer to scan the eBay pickup code at the time of collection or have them sign the eBay order form. This provides proof that the item changed hands, keeping your account safe. And that's it. Local pickups on eBay are simple once you follow these steps, save time, and avoid shipping entirely. Give it a try on your next listing and make selling easy and secure.